How to link Gmail to WeChat. First of all, open the WeChat app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you haven't downloaded it yet, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and install WeChat. Once you are inside the app, tap the Me icon in the bottom right corner. This is where all your personal settings are located. Now tap on Settings, usually at the top right corner of your profile. In the Setting menu, select Account Setting. In the Account Security menu, look for the More option, tap on it. In the More Setting menu, look for the Email option and tap on it. Next, you will need to enter your email address. Type it carefully, then tap Next or OK. WeChat will now send a verification code to your Gmail account. Open the Gmail app or log into your browser to retrieve the code. Once you have it, head back to WeChat and enter the verification code in provided field. And that's it. Your Gmail is now linked to your WeChat account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Got questions or suggestions for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.